Hi, my name's Osian. I'm 13 and I've been coming to youth club since year 7. One day when I came into youth club to hang out with my mates, this youth worker called Sarah pitched the idea of a drinking sign competition on a good thing to change Denby, so if you won you would win £200. My idea was more mountain biking stuff in Denby since all we have is a skate park. I did an interview and I won, and I did a consultation up in a park uptown in Denby. About 60 people showed up. We hired a pump track that was made out of wood that we set up on the day. We just had a blast, we had a bunch of people there. At that stage I was also in contact with an MP called Dr. James Davis. I told him about me winning the £200 to do something for Denby. He was busy on the day of the event, but I've been in contact with him and he's been offering his help and support. I do find it fun to come to youth club because it's just a nice, safe environment. One thing that's good about me campaigning for more biking is that there's some kids who want stuff in Denby and want to get out and be active, but there's other kids who go out with their mates, smoking, vaping, drinking. If we get more biking stuff, more kids would hopefully get a hobby and won't be like that. Other than my own parents, nobody else was willing to help me. If it was just me and my mates who are 13, I don't think that would do anything. But with youth workers, it makes it they give you an opportunity and it makes it more accessible than if you were to just do it by yourself.